Hi everyone, Garrett here from the product team. I'd like to introduce you to MySchedulr, an exciting new appointment scheduling software. I'm going to cover what MySchedulr has to offer and where to find it. With this tool, your customers can easily book and pay for services. Whether you're offering cooking classes for the masses or solo spa services, MySchedulr does all the heavy lifting for you. You can find MySchedulr by logging into your account manager and navigating to the ecommerce tab. You'll find everything you need to streamline your day-to-day. MySchedulr perfectly pairs with your website or works completely as a standalone scheduling tool. Choose from one-on-one appointments or group classes. In your website editor, easily drag and drop your services onto your website. Or use the built-in scheduling pages to share on social media. You can share all of your services or direct your audience to an individual offering. Once your customer books a service, it'll automatically send them a confirmation email and a 24-hour reminder email, which you can personalize to fit your brand. Accepting payments is a breeze. Connect to top payment providers like Stripe and PayPal and have your customers pay when they book. And with MySchedulr, multiple team members can set their own custom booking hours and services in just a few steps. I'm really excited to hear how this product helps you. Let us know what you think. And to learn more about MySchedulr and how to get it up and running, visit our Help Center, which features articles to help you get started and make the most of this fantastic product.